When we picture a rogue planet, we imagine a frozen sphere drifting through eternal night, its surface locked beneath a crust of ice. But deep below, the story could be entirely different. A rogue planet's interior may be alive with heat, molten rock churning, metals flowing, and radioactive isotopes releasing energy over billions of years. In these deep, unseen regions, convection currents stir oceans of magma, pushing heat outward like a heartbeat that never stops. Over time, this inner warmth carves pockets of liquid water beneath the frozen shell, forming vast subterranean oceans stretching thousands of kilometers across. These oceans may be some of the most stable environments in the universe. Protected from cosmic radiation by thick layers of ice and rock, insulated from the deadly vacuum of space, these sheltered oceans could persist for billions of years, perhaps longer than oceans on Earth. Stability is one of the key ingredients of life, and a rogue planet, drifting silently through the galaxy, might offer that stability in surprising abundance. Long after its parent star has died, long after its home system has changed beyond recognition, the rogue planet continues to cradle its hidden seas, nurturing whatever life may have taken root within them. In these warm, pressurized waters, minerals from the planet's interior dissolve into the ocean, creating chemical gradients that life could exploit. Hydrothermal vents erupt with plumes rich in hydrogen sulfide, methane, and trace metals, all ingredients known to support ecosystems on Earth. These vents act as natural factories of energy, powering microbial life forms that thrive in total darkness. Over time, evolution could sculpt these organisms into complex networks of interdependent species, forming deep-sea communities more diverse than those found on our own planet. A rogue planet may be cold on the outside, but its core could be a furnace of potential, shaping life in ways we are only beginning to imagine. If rogue planets can harbor life, then a new challenge emerges: finding them. Unlike planets orbiting stars, rogue worlds emit little light of their own, making them nearly invisible against the backdrop of space. Their faint warmth radiates only in the infrared, blending into the cosmic glow like a whisper swallowed by the night. They do not transit stars. They do not cast shadows through nebulae. They reveal themselves only through subtle gravitational effects, microlensing events that last mere hours, or rare glimpses through specialized infrared telescopes. And yet, astronomers have begun to uncover these hidden wanderers. New instruments detect their faint heat signatures, like embers drifting in darkness. We estimate that the Milky Way could contain billions of rogue planets, more than all the stars combined. Each one is a mystery. Each one is a potential world. But even if we detect them, understanding their conditions is another challenge entirely. Their surfaces cannot be seen. Their atmospheres remain elusive. And their internal oceans, if they exist, are hidden beneath layers of ice thicker than anything on Earth. To detect life on a rogue planet, humanity will need tools beyond anything we currently possess. We may one day send autonomous probes to chase these drifting worlds across interstellar space. We may learn to identify chemical signatures escaping through cracks in their frozen crusts. Or we may rely on gravitational sensors, tuned to perceive the subtle vibrations of oceanic currents beneath ice. Whatever methods we develop, the search for life on rogue planets will push our technology and imagination to their limits. The universe does not hide its secrets maliciously, but some truths are buried deep. Some require patience, persistence, and the willingness to see beyond light itself. For decades, astronomers defined the habitable zone, as the region around a star where liquid water can exist. This narrow band, neither too hot nor too cold, seemed essential for life. But rogue planets challenge that idea. They rewrite the rules. They suggest that habitability is not a narrow ribbon around stars, but a vast and varied spectrum stretching across the galaxy. If life can thrive in darkness, powered by internal heat, then the universe is far more habitable than we ever imagined. This means that life could arise almost anywhere, on icy moons, on drifting planets, in pitch-black oceans sealed beneath frozen surfaces. The classic habitable zone becomes merely one option among many. Some worlds may flourish without sunlight. Others may rely entirely on geothermal energy. And some may sustain life for far longer than Earth, unaffected by stellar aging or the violent deaths of suns. A rogue planet could survive intact even as its parent star becomes a red giant, collapses, or explodes. It could drift through the galaxy for billions of years, carrying life from one region of space to another. In this sense, rogue planets may serve as cosmic seeds, spreading biology throughout the Milky Way. They become vessels of survival, endurance, and continuity, nature's most resilient lifeboats in a universe filled with chaos and change. The idea of life on rogue planets forces us to rethink our place in the cosmos. We often assume that life requires warmth, sunlight, and a connection to a star. But life is not merely a product of light. It is a survivor, a sculptor of possibility, a phenomenon capable of adapting to environments we once believed impossible. And as we explore the universe, we begin to understand that life may be more common, more persistent, and more diverse than we ever dared to believe. Somewhere in the silent dark between the stars, a rogue planet may be nurturing its own version of evolution. Perhaps microbial life thrives in its oceans. Perhaps complex organisms hunt in the deep. Perhaps intelligence has emerged in forms adapted to darkness, heat gradients, or chemical signals. If such beings exist, they would know a universe very different from our own. A universe without day or night, without seasons, without the familiar rhythms of starlight. Their myths, their sciences, their entire perception of reality would be shaped by a world where light is a rare visitor and darkness is the defining feature of existence. Contemplating these worlds broadens not only our scientific imagination, but our philosophical horizons. Life may not be a delicate miracle, surviving only in narrow windows of cosmic stability. It may be robust, capable of emerging in conditions that defy our expectations. And if life can flourish in perpetual night, then the galaxy may be alive in ways we have yet to comprehend. In the end, rogue planets remind us of a profound truth. The universe hides more than it reveals. Behind the stars we see and the worlds we can measure lies an invisible population of dark wanderers, silent, cold, mysterious, and yet filled with potential. These rogue planets are not failures of planetary systems. They are survivors, explorers, evidence that the universe's creativity extends far beyond our assumptions. If life exists on even a fraction of these worlds, then the Milky Way could be teeming with biology, hidden in the places we least expect. In the quiet spaces between stars, entire oceans may roll across unseen shores. Creatures may swim through waters warmed by the fires of planetary hearts. Civilizations may arise and fall in darkness, their stories known only to the planets that cradle them. And as humanity continues its search, we may one day discover that the darkest places in the universe are the most alive, that warmth does not need a sun, that life does not need light, and that the cosmos is filled with possibilities waiting patiently for us to see them. The stars guide us, but life may thrive in the shadows between them.